Hey there. To permanently delete an entire business portfolio on Facebook, first you're going to open Facebook on a browser or an app on your computer. And then make sure to switch to your page from there. You're going to make sure you're in the home page of your portfolio. On the left-hand side, navigate yourself to Ads Manager. Wait for a couple of seconds while you are redirected to the Ads Manager section. Now, you're going to click on your profile right at the top here, and then you're going to choose the portfolio that you want to delete. Now, this is a demo profile. You might have an active portfolio with running ads, so you might get some additional options that's missing in here. But don't worry, the basic process is the same, okay? Now what you're going to do is just click on this wheel icon and then find the option that's showing business info. Click on that. All your account info will show up in here. Finally, all you're going to do is just hit the permanently delete business button. Now you'll get a pop-up. Just carefully go through this section. Now it says, once confirmed, your portfolio will be scheduled to delete in the next 24 hours. If you're okay with that, just click on delete portfolio. Now a pop-up will appear. If you change your mind, you can tap on Don't Delete Business to cancel, or just choose Back to Facebook to confirm the deletion. And that's all. Thanks for watching.